Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about locust attack in India. Please watch the full video to know about every details. The locust in western parts added a new reason to worry for India. Right now, India is facing a large number of disasters. Just a week ago, the eastern part of India, mainly West Bengal, faced a devastating cyclone named as Amphan, which was most powerful cyclone in decades. On the other hand, the dominance of coronavirus is going on rapidly in India, with the whole world, even as hundreds of lives are lost every day due to coronavirus. In the meantime, another danger is lurking on the nation's waste. The proliferate locust swarms in Rajasthan, Gujarat, UP, and even parts of MP threatens to amplify into an agrarian disaster, which can result in severe food scarcity in India. What is locust swarm? How it can affect us? Locusts are insects that travel in large swarms that can travel up to 150 km per day depending on the wind speed. They eat up leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds, and everything of a plant or tree. They can eat the crops of land which are grown by the farmers for human beings and can cause serious famine and starvation. Mere a small swarm can eat averagely as much food in one day as about 10 elephants, 25 camels, or 2,500 people. But they generally don't come in a small swarm. Locust attacks are not new in India. From 1964 to 1997, India faced approx 13 attacks of locust. But after 2010, there is no large scale breeding has been reported. Locust attacks have been mentioned in almost all ancient texts, from Egyptian pyramids to the Bible and Quran. Sanskrit poems also mentioned about locust attacks. Why we need to worry? Once a significant outbreak starts, it lasts for about 2 years, and then there is a quietus for about 8 years. LWO officials say that the swarm building up is potentially the worst in decades. Now, reason about locust outbreak. The breeding locust, which are threatening farming, are an indirect fallout of the warming Indian Ocean, some meteorologists suggest. Last year, India and East Africa got good quality of monsoon, which comfort us all. But because of that, the African desert moisture formation exceeds the breeding of locust, and by following the direction of wind, it is entering India. On the other side, because of corona pandemic, people are quarantined. So the farmers of India, Pakistan and Afghanistan were not able to spray pesticides timely. Global warming also has a large impact on breeding and spreading of these insects in large number. So it's clear that we should abandon any political or territorial blame game, and being united, we should look after that we are using the science and technology in a well planned, controlled, and sustainable way. Otherwise, there is no delay of the existence of human being will have to face a difficult scenario. Thanks for your cooperation. Please like, comment and share my video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get notifications of releasing my new videos. Thank you.